Alright, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, coming at you with a Shidyu summon on this banner. Now, I'm going to be very, very candid with you guys. This, in my opinion, is a skip banner. Not because it's bad. This banner is actually very, very, very good. You got a full screen third strong attack, pretty good range on his second strong attack, lunge on his first strong attack with even more range in front of it. Isshin is a very, very good character. Tensa is a good character. Isshin's a good White Ichigo is a good character. I'm going to quickly do a brief overview on these characters. But I just want to get it into your head that Anniversary is very, very close. It's in 1 month and about 8 days. Anniversary usually comes on July 23rd or the 24th, right? So you're going to have like 7 to 8 days to summon on whatever new character that K-Lab wants to throw out at us. Last time it was 3rd anniversary Alkiora, before that was 2nd anniversary Ichigo. It could be hit or miss on whether we get an OP character. I still think Alkiora is a very, very powerful unit. I don't think he's as broken as he was because they've just been releasing like crazy shit. But as of right now, guys, these characters are going to be in the premium pool, and K-Lab is vomiting time-limited units over and over and over and over again. And honestly, these time-limited banners are now some of the most strongest characters in the game. From Camp for Your Own World and LEL, these Camp for Your Own World characters are so much stronger than the movie banners. It's just absolutely insane. And this isn't even taking into account that 1000 Year Blood War is going to start coming out soon. I would not be surprised if 1000 Year Blood War starts coming out at the end of July. And the week before, we're probably going to get some random character that everybody's going to want. I would probably say it's going to be an Anniversary Aizen, just because I think that Aizen sells very, very, very well. Okay, so going into this, Isshin, Debilitator, Frenzy, Strong Attack, no, he's a Last Ditch Survival 100% link, Burn on everything, just a very, very good value character. White Ichigo is probably the one that everyone's going to be looking to get the most. If you don't have Power Aizen, White Ichigo is he's amazing. Even though he doesn't have a full screen third strong attack, 900 radius, second strong attack, very good range beam, first strong attack is a lunge. Like, just, he's just a snack. Very, very good Nad. It is a little bit slow for my taste personally. He is a Soul Reaper killer, so strong attack recharge Soul Reaper killer is always very, very good. And he does have Debilitator on all of his attacks as well. And Tensa, Zangetsu, strong attack recharge mind unit, laceration on everything, full screen third strong attack. Second strong attack is a crawling vortex. First strong attack is just your standard beam. Oh yeah, not even to mention his Nad. Oh my god, his Nad. Look at it. Look. It's like he's smacking that butt, like, you know what I'm saying? But overall, all these characters have Frenzy, all these characters have Debilitator. You got Burn on Isshin, Weaken on White Ichigo, Laceration on Tensa Zangetsu. This banner is very good. Like I said, as of right now though, keep in mind, we do usually choose a 6-star at the end, like, on the 23rd of July, along with whatever banner comes out for Anniversary. Keep in mind that this mid-month banner, starting from June 15, those banners do not show up and choose a 6-star. So these characters are most likely not going to be there unless K-Lab changes their ways. Another thing to note, we might get Swimsuit at the end of the month, so you might want to look into that. Like I said, K-Lab's just throwing out these time-limited banners. You could potentially get these characters from the Tower of Ordeals ticket whenever K-Lab decides to update those tickets as well. They haven't updated them in about, I want to say 2 months, something like that. Something crazy like that, but either way, that ticket's still very good value. But I'm going to leave it at that. You'll know this, guys. Grind on, catch my opinion, stay blessed. Shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys for 18K. I just found out this morning. I don't really look at the numbers. Like, I really don't care about subscriber number, you know what I mean? I care about the subscribers, don't care about the subscriber number, but I do want to give a shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. It is a milestone. It's always a milestone. It's crazy, but yeah, we're just gonna move on, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. What else do I want to say? Shout out to my sponsors, shout out to my members and Twitch subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea. And I guess I'll leave it at that. You know what it is, guys. Brian, I'll catch you up. Stay blessed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you know. I wish you the best luck in your summons. I'm personally going to do 200 to 250 orbs on this banner. If I get a 5-star, I'm done. Hopefully I get something. Y'all saw some of the Taurus summons. I'm due for something. I don't know. I don't even care if I get Isshin, even though I mean, I can make use of all these characters, to be honest. Yeah, it's okay. This banner's okay. If I don't get anything, it's a 3% banner, but at the very least you're guaranteed something new should you actually pull a 5-star. Like I said, these banners, people tell me singles or multis, always go singles unless you're guaranteed something that's of value for a multi. I don't like this Hogyoku for a multi. I have like 500 Hogyokus. Why the fuck am I gonna do that? As for the people that say, yeah, but you waste so much time doing singles, bro, I already wasted like 3 years of my life playing this game. I don't care if I waste like a couple minutes doing singles for these orbs that I spend 45 hours on trying to farm. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Alright, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, coming at you with a quick little advertisement. But yeah, so this art from Anime Boys and some art from other people, guys, it's really good. I personally like it, though I wouldn't really recommend the sweater, but we do have premium onesies, you know what I'm saying? So you can have the squad looking over your little one while he shits themselves. We also have pillows, you know, for when these gacha games like to, you know, if you want something to bite down while they taking it, you know, it is what it is, bro. Sometimes I gotta bite down myself. But besides that, we try to have something for everybody, and thanks for checking it out. Stay blessed, y'all. Link will be in the description, and yeah.